This can also take off if like you got lumps in your piece of like, it looks more of a milk dud than a round thing. Use this guy to smooth it out a bit. So I would say use this a bunch to help take off a bunch of weight. Like there's a lot of weight up here. Like, can you see all those plates? Look at this.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Then, are we recording the whole time?
You're
recording the whole time?
Just started.
Okay, this is a shear form tool, or shredder tool. This tool that I'm using right now is over here. Let me show you. Follow me. It's in this little thing right here. It's called, this is like a container. It's a shredder tool. You can open it up and they're in here. Okay?
How was it?
It's right here. What?
How was it?
Wow. It's a bit?
A bin.
A bin. You call it bins. Okay? I'm going to use this to take off a bunch of weight. So after I do this, I'm going to tell you guys how much your ball should weigh. Okay? So as you can tell, it like makes a texture on the outside. Be like, Mr. Gallus, you said it's smooth ball. I like to take a metal rib, and then what you can do is you can scrape it a little bit. These are really flexible. Bend it to how round your piece is, and then you can use it as like a scraper / a smoother. Like, oh, doesn't it look nice now? Look at that. If I spend some time on this, this will get so smooth and so round. Doesn't that look great? Aren't you guys impressed?
Yeah.
Wait, why are we making this bigger?
Why? Because I told you to.
Exactly.
Because if you can build a sphere and you can build a box perfect, you can build anything out of clay. Because you either coil build something or you slab build something, or a combination of those two things. Okay? There's very few other building methods other than coil and slab in ceramics. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks better, right? And it weighs less because I took all of this stuff off. So these shavings, too, they don't just go in the garbage. They're going to go into that bucket right here. That says slop bucket. See how it says slop bucket up here? Look at it, slop bucket. It goes in there. What happens is this turns into slop, and then we make new clay from this. We recycle all of our clay in here. Okay? Any questions before I let you off to do your own thing? Okay, shear form tool. Or the shredder tool. Okay, have fun.